Hello guys, good morning. So, ito yung Maribank, formerly Cbank. Ayan, so, lately ko lang siya nalaman and sobrang laki pala ng tubo niya within just 4 days na tinambay yung account. By the way, ito yung isang feature na maganda sa kanila is makikita mo yung annual interest na makukuha mo kung magkano yung, for example, magkano yung ilalagay mo. For example, itong 10,000, meron kang 0.71 per day, 21.37 per month, and 260 pesos per year. Ayan. So, annually siya madadagdagan, but ma-add na yung price every day. Okay? So, ito, 1 million, for example, may 71.23 ka per day, and in 1 month, may 2,000 plus ka. So, basically, that's it for our computation. And may 26,000 ka per year kung 1 million. And gawin din natin 10,000. Syempre, taasan din natin yung pangarap natin. So, basically, meron kang 810.96 per day, 24,328.77 per month, and 296,000 per year if meron kang 10 million sa Maribank mo. Anyway, ito yung referral code ko, PN543736. Ang maganda dito guys is totoo tong you'll get 100 and your friend gets 150 pag may pinasok siyang pera, and like halimbawa na-refer mo siya, so in-enter niya yung code mo, tapos yung friend mo na yon may nilagay na 1,000 sa within 4 days, so makukuha niyo yung bonus na yun. So yun lang guys, bye.